the solution is going to be the shaded region of the graph of the inequality. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we need to kind of practice to see if points are a solution or not. Okay, so our equation is our 2x minus 3y is less than 15. Okay, points are always written as what comma what? X comma y. So our 2 is going to go in for our what? X, and our 5 is going to go in for our y. And we're going to see if we get a true statement or not. Okay, so 2 times, what's x? 2 minus 3 times, what's y? 5. And we're going to check, see, is that less than 15? So what's our 2 times 2? 4 minus, not minus negative 15, just minus 15. What is 4 minus 15? Negative 11. So is negative 11 less than 15? So this is a yes. Okay, so the same thing with this one. X, y. So 2 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 7, is that less than 15? So 2 times negative 1? Negative 2. Negative and a negative gives us a plus 21. Is that less than 15? No. We are on page 14 of our yellow book. All right, so x, y, what's going in for x? 2 times 3 minus 3 times negative 4 is less than 15. So we get, okay, so what do I have here? 6 plus 12, is that less than 15? So that's a no. Okay, we're going x or 0 and 0, so 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 is less than 15. What's 2 times 0? The 0 minus 0 less than 15? So that one is a yes. All right, so now we got to graph these babies. So what do we want to write? What form do we want to write our stuff in order to graph it?
Kia, he, and Bob were found in the parking lot.
What form do we want?
Checking out.
Slope intercept form. We want it in slope intercept form. Our lines are going to be a little bit different. If it's greater than or less than, we are going to use a dashed line. Okay, if it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it is going to be a solid line. Okay, and then we're going to use a point not on the line to determine which side of the line to shape. Most of the time, almost always, I'm going to say, I'm going to go out on a limb here, and I almost always use the point 0, 0. nice way to shape it. All right, so y is greater than 1/3 x minus 5. What's my starting point? -5. This is always my starting point. So we put our point at -5. According to my slope, I do what? Of 1 over 3. Of 1 over 3. Now, you've got to look at the sign to decide, is that going to be a solid line or a dashed line? That's going to be a dashed line. So my dashed line, this looks like that. Okay, now I think this is the hard part, trying to decide which way to shape. Okay, is 0, 0 on my line? No, so I can use 0, 0. So I'm going is 0, so I'm putting in 0 for x, 0 for y, just like I did on that last part. So it's saying is 0 greater than, what's 1/3 times 0? 0 minus 5. So it's saying is 0 greater than -5? Yes. That is a yes. Okay, so if it is, so 0, 0 is right here, right? So if I get a yes, I want that point to be shaded. So I'm going to shade everything on this side of my line. Right? Because 0, 0 was a yes. So I want everything on that side of my line to be shaded. So shade up that direction. All right, so this next one, what's my starting point? -1, and I do what? Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. All right, check out your sign, solid or dash? Huh? Solid line. So draw a solid line through those points. Okay, now we're checking 0, 0. So is 0 less than or equal to what's -2 times 0? 0 minus 1 is -1. So is 0 less than or equal to -1? No. So we've got a no there. And so that means that I do not want that shaded right there. So which way should I shade? Down towards that other direction. So I'm going to shade down here because I don't want 0, 0 shaded. He's saying, no, don't shade me. Now, over here, he was saying, like, yeah, bring it on. I know, I struggle. Oh, man, now we got one that's not in slope intercept form. What do we have to solve for? Solve for y, first step. Minus 5x. So -2y is greater than -5x plus 12, right? Now what? Divide by -2. This is where you have to be careful. What happens? Who remembers the rule when I divide by a negative number? I don't flip the sign. So now y is less than 5 x minus 6. So yep, you got to flip that sign if you divide by a negative. Okay, so what's my starting point? -6. And what do I do? Oh, up 5 over 2, up. Up 5 over 2. Up 5 over 2. Dash the solid line. Dash line. Dash lines are fun. Okay, now check in 0, 0. Okay, if I put 0, is 0 less than, what's 5 times 0?
0.
0 minus 6. Is 0 less than negative 6? No. So he's saying, no, don't shade me. And you're shading the opposite direction of 0, 0. See, it helps with the voices, right?
I don't think so.
I think so.
Can you read it?
All right, in number 4, first step. Minus x. So I have negative 4y is less than negative x plus 8. Now what? Divide by negative 4. If I divide by a negative, what do I have to do? So y is greater than, there you go, 1/4 x minus 2. Starting point? Negative 2. Then we do what? Up 1 over 4, up 4 over 4. Dashed or solid? Dashed. Okay, what am I plugging in? Okay, is 0 greater than negative 2? Yes. Yes. So that point 0, 0 saying what? Bring on the shading. Shade towards me. Not bad, right? Alright, so skip down to number 7. 7 and 8 we gotta talk about. We gotta do a little memory deal. Why? Because just y is it horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. It's horizontal because it's opposite of what the axis is. So the y-axis goes up and down, but y equals the number is opposite. So we're finding negative 4. It's going to be a horizontal line, dashed or solid? Solid. Solid line. Now we're checking, is 0 less than or equal to negative 4? No. So that's 0, 0. He's saying, no, don't shade me. See it the other way. Okay, x is greater than 7. Find where x is 7. It's going to be a vertical line, dashed or solid? Dashed. Check 0. Is 0 greater than 7? No. Nope, so he's, no, shade me. Go the other way. I have both